This is the color scheme that I use for my videos. Make sure you copy down the black.
So there's one perfect way to do this, and there's one kind of faster, approximate way to do this. And what you could do is you could just type all this into your calculator if it's smart enough. If you've got a good enough calculator, you type this in and graph it, and it'll tell you. You'll be able to trace, put your cursor right here, and see that the answer should be -10, -8. Not all calculators can do that. If you want to do this purely algebraically, you'd have to complete the square and actually do it twice. You break it up into the x portion and the y portion, and then complete two different squares. You can see that's the end result of completing the square is right here, x plus 10 squared and y plus 8 squared. So 20 divided by 2, this is your side work. You look at this value, divided by 2 and squared, you get 100. So 100 is the number that you have to fill in the blank right here. And then divided by 2, that's 8, and 8 squared is 64. 64 is the number that's right here as well. So you're adding 100 over here to complete this square, and adding 64 over here to complete this square. So therefore, you have to add 164 over to this side. When you combine all three of these, you get 144. That number doesn't actually matter very much. You can see that this is x plus 10 squared plus y plus 8 squared. And if you know the formula for the area of a circle, for the graph of a circle, then you know that this really should be x minus -10 and y minus -8. That's why the answer is here, -10, -8. Because the formula says if you want to find the center of a circle, hk, it'll be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared.